Okay, welcome everyone. What I'm trying to do here is to show you question and answers for the MDM testing with Informatica MDM. I categorize the questions. Every part have different one. Let us start with the general questions. Let me try to make this bigger. If I can make it bigger. General questions. Okay, the first question I will ask, does it look like I'm sharing? Maybe like this one. Share again. The first question, tell us about your background in master data management. The first question they will ask you. This is a sample answer. I have over X years of experience in master data management, especially working with Informatica MDM. In previous roles, I have been responsible for defining and implementing MDM solutions, ensuring data quality, and maintaining a reliable data dictionary. My experience spans working with cross-functional teams to address data-related issues and improving data processes for enhanced decision-making. The second question, why are you interested in this position of testing for this certain company? The answers, the sample answer for this one, I am drawn to this role because it aligns with my technical expertise in MDM and data quality management, emphasis on building consistent and accurate data solutions resonates with my commitment to data integrity and efficiency. I also look forward to contributing my skills in an on-site collaborative environment. Okay, the third question is, how do you approach testing in a complex data environment? The answer, in complex data environments, I prioritize understanding the data requirements and structure. I begin by developing comprehensive test cases based on the data model and business needs, identifying key attributes and ensuring that test scenarios cover data completeness, accuracy, and consistency. I also leverage automation tools where possible to enhance testing efficiency. The other question is, how do you approach testing in a complex data environment? The answer in complex data environment, I start by breaking down the requirements into manageable testing components. I prioritize high-risk areas and ensure that test cases cover both functional and non-functional requirements. My approach includes designing test cases for data validation, consistency checks, and integration points with other systems. I also employ data profiling to understand data characteristics and set up automated scripts to handle repetitive validations, working closely with data stakeholders, allow me to adapt testing strategies quickly if requirements or data flow change. Question: what steps do you take to ensure efficient and accurate data testing? Answer: I focus on detailed planning to ensure efficient and accurate testing. I create a robust testing plan that aligns with business requirements, setting clear criteria for data validation. Automation plays a big role in efficiency, so I use scripts to handle high volume tests and consistency checks, saving time and reducing human error. Additionally, I set up checkpoints, unlock validations to track progress, and make necessary adjustments. And I review test cases with stakeholders to confirm accuracy and coverage. Question: how do you stay current with trends in data management and MDM testing? The answer: I stay up to date by regularly attending industry conferences such as the Informatica World and MDM Summit, where I gain insights into new tools and methodologies. I also participate in online communities and subscribe to industry journals and blogs like TWI and Gartner to keep up with trends in data quality, governance, and MDM. Additionally, I take online courses to refine my skills and expand my knowledge, particularly in automation and cloud-based MDM, which are constantly evolving. Question: can you describe a successful MDM testing project you led? Answer: one of the most successful projects I led involves implementing an MDM solution for retail company. I'm using just example for retail company. You can think of any other company and you think of your experience, but you can put it in this way. My team was responsible for ensuring data consistency across global regions, which require detailed data quality framework and comprehensive testing. I developed test cases covering data validation, matching, merging, and deduplication processes. We implemented automated scripts for consistency checks, reducing the overall time spent on testing by 40%. The project ultimately led to significant improvement in data accuracy, benefiting both operations and customer experience. Question: how do you manage multiple projects with tight deadlines? The answer, or the sample answer: I prioritize by assessing the impact and urgency of each project. I break down tasks into smaller, achievable goals and leverage project management tools like Jira to track and allocate resources effectively. I'm proactive in communicating with the stakeholders to set realistic expectations and make adjustments as needed. A recent role I manage two high priority projects simultaneously by automating recurring tasks, delegating specific roles, and holding regular checks in to ensure progress without compromising quality. Question: how do you prioritize tasks in a fast paced environment? Answer: in a fast paced environment, I assess tasks based on urgency, impact, and alignment with business goals. I use tools like Jira and Trello to organize tasks and visualize priorities. I also make sure to communicate with project stakeholders regularly to adjust priorities as needed. For example, if a data issue is impacting downstream applications, I will prioritize it above other tasks to prevent cascading effects. Regular checks in helps me stay focused on the highest priority tasks and adjust quickly to any change. Now the question related to MDM specific questions. Describe your experience with Informatica MDM and any related tools. Answer: I have worked extensively with Informatica Cloud MDM and have used it for both data integration and data quality projects. I am proficient in configuring MDM workflows, creating match, merge rules, and setting up hierarchy configuration. Additionally, I have experience in Informatica data quality, IDQ, to implement data profiling and validation. Question: how do you validate data quality in an MDM system? Answer: I validate data quality by first defining clear quality metrics, such as completeness, accuracy, consistency, and uniqueness. I could I conduct data profiling to understand current data issues, and I create automated data checks to continuously monitor quality metrics. Any inconsistencies are flagged for further analysis, and action plans are coordinated with data owners to address root causes. Question: explain how you manage a data dictionary in an MDM environment. Answer: I maintain data dictionary by documenting each data attribute, its sources, relationship, transformation rules. Again, I maintain data dictionary by documenting each attribute, its source, relationships, and transformation rules. I also work closely with business team to ensure that the dictionary is aligned with business terms and definitions. I update the dictionary regularly to reflect any change in the data model or business requirements. How do you validate data quality in an MDM system? Answer: I use combination of automated and manual checks to validate data quality in MDM system. First, I profile the data to understand key attributes, then set up rules in Informatica data quality to flag inconsistencies, duplicates, missing data. I also run automated scripts to validate against predefined quality criteria, such as uniqueness and completeness. Regular audits help identify anomalies early, and I work with data stewards to ensure that data quality improvements are sustained over time. Question: explain how you manage a data dictionary in an MDM environment. Answer: I manage a data dictionary by first gathering input from business and technical stakeholders to identify critical data elements. I use tools like Informatica Metadata Manager to catalog and document these attributes. I use tools like Informatica Metadata Manager to catalog and document these attributes, including data definitions, relationships, and transformations. Regular data updates and reviews ensure that the dictionary reflects change in the data model and business requirements. In my last role, I set up a process for version control on our data dictionary, making it easier to track updates and change, which was essential for maintaining data consistency. The question is, how do you configure match and merge rules in Informatica MDM? Answer to the question is, configuring match and merge rules requires a deep understanding of both the data and the business needs. I start by identifying attributes critical for matching, like customer ID or email. Then I configure fuzzy matching for fields that may have slight variations, ensuring we capture duplicate without false positives. I also run test matches to calibrate thresholds and adjust the rules based on the feedback. Finally, I monitor the impact of these rules in production to ensure they continue meet data quality standards. Question: describe how you ensure data integrity across different MDM systems. The answer is, I ensure data integrity by establishing validation checkpoints across data flows and syncing rules to maintain consistency. For example, I set up regular integrity checks using data quality tools to configure that data transformation do not introduce errors or inconsistencies. In addition, I implement version control and work closely with IT teams to align data models and metadata across systems. Regular audits help us spot and correct any discrepancies, ensuring a consistent single source of truth across MDM systems. Question: how do you keep the MDM system aligned with changing business needs? Answer: I maintain close communication with business stakeholders to stay informed about changes in the requirements. I also participate in regular meetings with product and data teams to understand evolving business goals. By having a flexible data model and regular reviewing MDM configurations, I can make adjustments to match and merge rules, data validations, and other parameters as business needs evolve. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions and ensures the MDM system remains relevant. Question: how do you handle data related issues that occur during the testing process? When data related issues arise during testing, I first analyze the issue to determine its root cause, whether it's due to data quality problem, mismatching in data mapping, or process issue. I document the findings and communicate with the relevant stakeholders, including data engineers and business analysts, to ensure alignment on the resolution steps. Additionally, I adjust test cases or criteria if necessary and implement validation scripts to catch similar issues early in the future test cycle. The question: how do you work with product owners and data engineers to understand the implementation plan for data pipeline? The answer: I collaborate with product owners and data engineers by attending planning sessions where we review the data pipeline's objectives, architecture, and flow. I ask targeted questions to clarify data transformations, integration points, and any specific validation requirements. To help me identify potential testing areas and develop a comprehensive testing plan. I also stay involved in the status meetings to provide feedback, and I adjust test cases if changes occur in the implementation plan. What are some key performance indicators you monitor for data quality in MDM? Answer: key KPIs I monitor for data quality include data completeness, accuracy, and timelines. Completeness ensures all required fields are populated. Accuracy checks the data aligns with the business definitions. And timelines assess that data is updated within the specified SLAs. I also track consistency across systems, duplication rate, and incident management metrics to gauge the effectiveness of data cleansing and deduplication process. These KPIs give a comprehensive view of data quality health. Question: how do you approach creating automated testing for data validation? The answer: my approach involves understanding the specified data validation requirements, then selecting the right tools and framework for automation. I often use scripts in SQL or data quality tools like Informatica to validate data completeness, consistency, and accuracy. For instance, I set up scripts to automatically check for missing values, duplicates, and incorrect data format. I also integrate These automated tests it into our continued integration and continued delivery, what they call CI/CD pipeline. So validation runs are consistent and frequent, ensuring data integrity as updates are made. I will stop here.